little workshop that I taught in Black Girls Run, a national convention in Charlotte, North Carolina in 2019. So this video is a little bit later than I'd like to have posted it, but just due to just the demands of my life, I have not been able to post it. So I'm glad that I'm finally being able, or finally able to bring you this content that I have been holding out in my camera for so long. So yes, so tune in because I want to take you along and you get to see, you know, what we do at Black Girls Run at our national meetups. And maybe it'll encourage you to join. All right, tune in.
Good morning. How are you, young lady?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Thank you, Bob. Please all carry on items. Ticket mom, check your seatbelt pocket for any personal items like tablets and cell phones.
And y'all know I had to stop at one of my favorite places, Cinnabon. Note to self, never check a bag in Charlotte. I've been waiting like 25 minutes for my bag.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm hoping that my shuttle doesn't get here before my bag does.
do not leave items on.
Just got to the hotel, got our BGR banners. Welcome, ready. I need a nap, so I'm gonna go take me a nap. And then I will, I'll take you on. Let's show you what else I got going on. This is cute. Cute little opening thing. A mini kitchen. Oh, hey girl, hey. What's that say? Oh, welcome me. Oh yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's the BGR takeover. And I'll get to teach yoga to women from each and every one of these amazing cities. Yes, BGR. Yes. Charlotte, I'm here. So we are scheduled to have dinner at 7 o'clock. It is, I always look to the left, don't I? It is now 6:15, and I just left this place called Nana's. Honey, the food was a bomb. So now I'm trying to like curb my appetite because I didn't eat all of it. I have it sitting there, and if anybody who knows me knows that I love food. I love food. I have a very strong relationship with food. And I want to like eat all of it, but I only ate half of it, but I want to eat the rest. And I'm trying to hold off until after my half marathon tomorrow. So pray for me, y'all.
Pray for me. Swagged out. That's swag. Body lot that is so essential for chafing. Hair mask. Yes. Come through swag. Come through.
We are less than 5 minutes away to our half marathon.